Imagine stepping into a compact SUV that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, but makes every journey feel like an experience. A vehicle that commands attention, radiates luxury, and yet feels agile and accessible. That's exactly what the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLA promises, and after spending time with it, I can confidently say that it delivers on every level. This isn't just a car. It's Mercedes-Benz refining the art of the compact SUV for the modern driver, blending technology, performance, and design in a way that's impossible to ignore. From the first glance, the 2026 GLA screams refinement. Mercedes has taken everything they've learned from previous models and completely elevated it. The exterior design is sharper, more athletic, and full of confident lines. It's a vehicle that makes an impression whether you're parked at a high-end shopping center or cruising through city streets. The bold front grille, aggressive yet elegant LED headlights, and sculpted body panels give the GLA a presence that feels premium without being ostentatious. But looks are only part of the story. What really sets the 2026 GLA apart is how it balances style, comfort, technology, and performance. In this review, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this SUV, from its exterior and interior design to the driving experience, performance, tech features, safety, and whether it's truly worth the investment. Exterior design and styling. The first thing anyone notices about the 2026 GLA is its distinctive exterior design. Mercedes has reworked the proportions slightly compared to previous generations, giving the SUV a wider stance and a more aggressive posture. The front fascia is dominated by the iconic Mercedes-Benz grille, flanked by sharp, full LED headlamps that give it a futuristic yet assertive look. Daytime running lights are integrated seamlessly, adding an elegant touch without overcomplicating the design. The hood features subtle sculpted lines that lead the eye toward the windshield, giving the car a sense of motion even when stationary. On the sides, the muscular wheel arches emphasize its sporty DNA, while the aerodynamic contours help reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. One of my favorite design cues is the way the roofline slopes slightly toward the rear. It's subtle but adds a dynamic edge that differentiates it from boxier competitors. At the rear, Mercedes has done an excellent job of balancing form and function. The full LED tail lamps are bright, modern, and crisp, giving a signature look at night. The rear bumper is sculpted yet practical, housing the exhaust outlets and creating a cohesive, athletic appearance. Every line, curve, and panel gap seems intentional, delivering a premium feel that's unmistakably Mercedes-Benz. Another small but impactful detail is the paint finish. In the 2026 GLA, the ultra-glossy paint reflects light beautifully, accentuating the sculpted body lines and making the vehicle look more expensive than it is. Whether it's white, metallic silver, or a darker shade, the finish instantly elevates the overall impression. Interior design and comfort. Stepping inside the 2026 GLA is where you really begin to appreciate Mercedes' attention to detail. The cabin is modern, luxurious, and incredibly well-built, blending soft-touch materials with refined finishes and metallic accents. The first thing you notice is the wide digital display stretching across the dashboard, seamlessly combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single, flowing panel. It's both visually stunning and functional. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent support for long drives. Leather upholstery is standard on most trims, with optional premium upgrades available. What impresses me is how the cabin manages to feel spacious despite the GLA's compact SUV size. Headroom and legroom are generous in both the front and rear, and the rear seats even offer sliding adjustments for added versatility. Storage solutions are thoughtful and plentiful. There are deep door pockets, a central console with wireless charging, and a cargo area that's flexible enough to accommodate luggage, sports equipment, or groceries with ease. The rear seats can fold down in a split configuration, giving even more cargo flexibility. Mercedes has also focused heavily on noise insulation, making the cabin serene even at highway speeds. Wind and road noise are minimal, which contributes to a premium driving experience. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, allowing drivers to choose from multiple colors to suit mood and setting. Technology and infotainment. Mercedes-Benz has always been at the forefront of automotive technology, and the 2026 GLA is no exception. The MBUX infotainment system is intuitive, fast, and responsive, featuring touch, voice, and steering wheel controls for maximum convenience. Saying, "Hey Mercedes," allows you to control navigation, climate, music, and even vehicle settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The system also integrates smartphone features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless connectivity for apps, maps, and media. Navigation is precise and visually appealing, with 3D maps and live traffic updates. What's impressive is how Mercedes has made technology accessible without overwhelming the driver. Everything is just a touch or a voice command away. Additional tech highlights include a digital driver display with customizable layouts, head-up display for essential driving info, advanced driver assistance systems, and multiple USB-C ports for charging devices. The 2026 GLA truly feels like a car from the future without being complicated to operate. Performance and driving dynamics. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 GLA is offered with several engine options, but the most common configuration is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, producing around 261 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, the GLA delivers smooth, confident acceleration whether you're merging onto the highway or navigating city streets. One of the standout aspects of this SUV is its driving dynamics. Unlike some compact SUVs that feel soft and disconnected, the 2026 GLA offers a balance of agility and stability. The steering is precise, and the suspension absorbs bumps without sacrificing composure. On twisty roads, the GLA remains composed, making it feel more like a sporty crossover than a typical small SUV. Fuel efficiency is competitive for its class, with EPA estimates ranging from 24 to 26 miles per gallon city and 32 to 34 miles per gallon highway, depending on drivetrain and trim. This makes it not only a fun car to drive, but also practical for daily commuting and longer trips. Safety and driver assistance. Safety has always been a cornerstone for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2026 GLA is packed with features to keep you and your passengers protected. Standard safety equipment includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The optional driver assistance package adds features like active lane change assist, traffic sign recognition, and evasive steering assist. Crash test ratings are excellent, and the SUV's rigid body structure combined with multiple airbags ensures occupant protection. The LED headlights and tail lamps also contribute to nighttime safety, providing clear visibility while giving the vehicle a modern, aggressive look. Practicality and usability. For a compact SUV, the 2026 GLA surprises with its practicality. The rear cargo area measures around 19 cubic feet, which expands to over 50 cubic feet with rear seats folded down. It's more than enough for a weekend getaway, grocery runs, or transporting sports gear. The liftgate is powered and easy to operate, and the low-load floor makes loading heavy items a breeze. Front passengers enjoy heated and ventilated seats in higher trims, while rear passengers have access to climate vents and USB-C charging ports, ensuring comfort for all occupants. The overall usability and daily practicality make this SUV not only luxurious but functional. Driving experience and feel. Getting behind the wheel of the 2026 GLA is where it truly shines. Acceleration is smooth, the steering feels responsive, and the chassis absorbs road imperfections gracefully. Despite its compact size, it feels planted and secure at highway speeds. The all-wheel drive system adds confidence, especially in wet or slippery conditions. The cabin remains quiet and serene, allowing passengers to enjoy music, conversation, or simply the peaceful ride. With multiple drive modes, comfort, sport, eco, and individual, the SUV adapts to your mood and driving conditions. Sport mode sharpens the throttle response and steering, making city driving and highway overtakes more engaging, while Comfort Mode provides a more relaxed ride for daily commuting. Trim levels and features. The 2026 GLA comes in several trims, each adding a range of premium features. The base trim offers essentials like the MBUX system, LED lighting, and safety features. Higher trims introduce advanced tech, panoramic sunroof, premium audio systems, ambient lighting, and luxury interior materials. AMG line trims add sporty styling cues, larger wheels, and performance-tuned suspension. Regardless of the trim, the GLA manages to deliver a cohesive luxury experience. It's designed for buyers who want a prestige brand feel without the bulk or price of a larger SUV of its weight. It combines style, technology, performance, and safety in a way that few competitors can match. It's ideal for urban commuters, small families, or anyone seeking a vehicle that blends luxury with practicality. What makes the GLA stand out is its ability to make everyday driving feel special. It's not just a transportation device. It's an experience, from the way the LED lights illuminate the road at night, to the tactile feedback of the steering wheel, to the seamless integration of technology and comfort inside the cabin. In a crowded compact SUV market, the 2026 GLA distinguishes itself with Mercedes-Benz signature attention to detail, delivering a vehicle that's sophisticated, fun to drive, and undeniably premium. For anyone in the market for a luxury compact SUV that balances performance, style, and everyday usability, the GLA should be at the very top of the list. By the end of the day, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLA isn't just a car you drive. It's a vehicle you experience. Every curve, every line, every high-tech feature is designed to remind you that you're driving a Mercedes-Benz. It's the kind of vehicle that turns heads, makes a statement, and most importantly, keeps you excited every time you get behind the wheel. Whether you prioritize technology, safety, luxury, or driving pleasure, the 2026 GLA delivers across the board, making it one of the most compelling choices in the compact luxury SUV segment today.